So if you have the website visitor tracking your subscription, or if you go and buy it today by visiting, you can unlock it, then you have the ability to build this automation called visited website. What that does is I have a few options. So 5 minutes after an anonymous website visitor visits your website, we can either, based on any page, or for example, slash the pricing page for you, you're going to put the absolute URLs. For example, it's going to be Saleshub.ai/pricing. Every time somebody visits that page, we're going to say, you could also mix with technologies used. So if they do that and using HubSpot as an example, so any HubSpot customer that visit the pricing page, we're going to spell a bit of big H here. We can automatically prospect those. So the way it works is we're going to say we want to remove them with the reply, and we don't want to put a time zone because this runs automatically after their visit. So it start process. Then this requires sales navigators. So every time somebody visits the pricing page using HubSpot, we know the company, the system automatically goes to LinkedIn. Then it will search for VP sales, director, marketing, etc., etc. You just find job titles right here. And you can comma separate. You can put as many as you like, and you can say, I want down with 3 people. Just put sales manager as an example. You can input a tag so it's easy to find them later. And you hit apply, and then from there, this will run automatically event-based. So every time a track visitor comes, you're building an inbound lead machine. It's extremely brilliant, and Segment is famous for creating $10,000 in pipeline every single day doing this. In fact, we tested it and we're using it daily, and it's part of our growth to market strategy. So once somebody visits, we can go in and say, okay, if we want to send them a LinkedIn connection request, then I go in and say, hey, first name, thank you for stopping by, Either I'm going to 100% automate it, or I can add the manual prospect methodology, as you see right here, this part. But in this case, we're going to keep it simple for you. So I'm going to send in a connection request. Then I'm going to say if Sales Hub found a verified email, then that's a yes or no. Then the yes side, if the email is verified, we created a template for that. So I'm going to go in and take that email. And if they don't reply to me, well, then I want 3 days later, after my connection request and email was sent, I also want to send them a LinkedIn message. Again, this is 100% automated, so you can focus on your business. So I built that entire flow out, 4 emails, 4 LinkedIn messages. On the left side, I'm going to use the same LinkedIn messages, but no emails, and build out the entire campaign. Then I hit save and start, and then it just executes every time we track a real company on your website. That's how you build the lead engine.